Alright guys, it's Saturday evening, June 29th, 2019. I'm at home this weekend and we're heading down to get ice cream. What do you think about that, Bailey? You want your own ice cream? Somebody's hot. Yeah, so we had a good day today. We went up to Albany and did some shopping. Did a little bit of food shopping on the way home. Got some stuff for the barbecue. I got a couple of London broils marinating right now that we're going to put on the grill tomorrow. I figure we go down and have an ice cream cone right now before they close. It's 7:30 at night. Then I might actually still cook some chicken or something on the grill tonight. We'll see. We have arrived at the ice cream place. Oh yeah.
And I was surprised. I actually, are we going? I think I have to go. I was surprised because I actually said to Bennett, don't tell them. What, honey?
I'm getting my ice cream all over me, guys.
Well, you know, we were in the...
Well, we finished having our ice cream and we are now at the supermarket. Mama and Bailey are going to stay in the car. Yeah. I'm going to go in and get a loaf of bread or something. Yeah, just coming out of the supermarket and heading home now. Let's see. I think I'll turn this on. All right, guys. We got the Weber warming up. All right, look at that. Got some honey mustard chicken, some buffalo chicken, and a bunch of Italian hot sausages. We decided to cook on the grill after we come home from ice cream. We had like a brunch today. We ate about 10:30 this morning. We went and had ice cream, but we're kind of hungry, so gonna cooking up some chicken and some Italian sausage. And I always cook extra for leftovers. This way, you know, we got something to eat for later, like tomorrow, or I can take stuff in the truck with me. So I always cook more than I need. I'm delivering to Oneonta here Monday. Oneonta, then up to New Hartford for the second stop, but do not have a load for Tuesday, so I'm not sure what's going to take place. May just start running some other loads, going wherever, or I may just come back home, not sure yet. So tomorrow, Sunday, I don't know if I'm going to be going anywhere. I mean, as far as maybe going to the flying field or something, I'm not sure yet. I think the weather's supposed to be a lot cooler tomorrow, like upper 60s and possibly some rain and some thunderstorms, so we shall see. Make up my mind tomorrow what I'm going to do. All right, guys, thanks for stopping in and seeing me today here on the Trucker John Show. And subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a comment and give me a like. Okay, take care.